Let's make a delicious cake that includes no flour and no sugar. For the sponge cake, we will need 150 grams of chocolate, 6 eggs, 10 grams of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Mixing them well in a big bowl. Combining every ingredient and mixing them with a spatula. Whisking the egg whites. And then gradually mixing the egg whites with the chocolate batter mixture. Creating a homogeneous mass and then pouring the batter to the pan and baking it. Spreading it nicely over the pan using a wooden stick. Look at this delicious piece of cake! Taking out of the pan and cutting the edges, not forgetting to take out the parchment paper too. Cutting the cake into 4 equal sections and moving on to making the chocolate cream. For this, you will need 400 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of cream, and 150 grams of chocolate. Whisking the cream cheese to create a smooth cream and then melting some chocolate. Make sure you have a good quality one. Mixing it with the cream cheese. That looks yum! To have a smooth texture, we recommend combining the mixtures gradually. Mixing, mixing, and mixing. It's time to assemble the cake, piping the chocolate cream using a round piping tip. To create a better taste of the cake, and we add some toasted chopped peanuts. Repeating the steps until we reach the top of the cake. This piping is definitely satisfying. Talking about pretty and delicious cakes.